Alright, welcome back. Today I will be opening half a case of Maximum Gold or 2 displays. I bought a case with my friend David. He already opened his, and now it is my turn. So let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes per display. Young Weezy, 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 Young Weezy. Okay. Oh, okay, let's take 1, 2, 3, and 4. I get 4 packs, 7 cards each. Two gold rare cards and 5 gold lettered rare cards. I want the blue eyes, as many blue eyes as I can get. That's what I want. Magical Meltdown. Damn.
Any reports with
Aleister the Invoker. Trickstar. Dark Lord. Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Sacred Sword of 7 Stars. These cards look insane. Gigas, Union Hanger, Constellar Pleiades, Traptrix Mantis, Trolling Lock Bird, Super Dimensional Robot Galaxy Destroyer. Ooh, White Stone of Ancients, Eater of Millions. Solemn Judgment. I didn't even know this was in here. Trickstar Reincarnation. Stardust Charge Warrior. Super Dimensional Robot Galaxy Destroyer. Mecha Phantom Beast Colt Wing. Oh. Oh, come on. Ooh, trading. Magical Meltdown. Chaos Dragon Levianeer. Totally awesome. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. First Ghost Reaper. Preparation of Rites. You want to see them? That's how they look. Amazing.
You're lying.
Sexy though.
So you bought cards like this, babe?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you get me any?
Nope.
I don't think there'll be anything you want in there.
Everything you got, just give it to me.
Night Beam. White Prince.
I gotta put my microphone on.
Lose 1 turn. Phantasme. Oh, Appaloosa.
I'll be taking this.
I can run in Appaloosa. Prime Monarch.
This is now mine.
Why? Okay, as long as I get my blue eyes. Scrap Recycler. Go Gigas. Forbidden Chalice. Machine Duplication. Infernity Mirage. Terraforming. Traptrix Murmelio. Union Hanger. Barrier Statue of the Inferno. Another Constellar Pleiades. Ooh, Cyber Dragoncore. Synchron Carrier. Eldritch, the Golden Lord in the Maximum Gold. Caligo Clockro. That's the best zombie. Could be used for a Mayakashi deck.
See, I need that for my stuff.
I'll have to pay up. Another Union Hanger. Barrier Statue of the Inferno. Ooh, first Dragon Maid. Parlor Dragon Maid. Fire Formation Gyoko. Anti-Magic Arrows. Caligo Clockro. Planet Pathfinder. All these statue position for you. Come on, man. Dark Lord Contact. Trap Chicks Leonea. Ooh, Boral Sword Dragon. You know what's crazy? I'm running all these. Transcode Talker. Condemned Witch. Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Torbuster Forbidden Realms.
And like show it this way, because reflections like kind of like bouncing off,
Like this one?
or like just point it to me.
Okay.
Like, there you
Extra
go.
Foolish Burial. My Monster Reborn. Madolce Knights. Miracle Contact. Number S39, Utopia Delight. Planet Pathfinder. Mistaken Arrest. Ooh, Dragon's Mirror. Oh, Drowning Mirror Force. I can use this. Dark Lord Morningstar. Noble Knight Brothers. Elder Entity Nits. Zodiac Chakanai. Dimensional Prison. Another dragon. I feel like they the same pack. Forbidden Chalice. Barrier Statue of the Torrent. Lose 1 turn. Ooh, Ghost Ogre. Yes. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo. Sky Palace Gangaribai. Come on, man. Go Gigas.
Point it this way.
Another trade-in. Constellar Pleiades. Number 74, the Master of Blades. Cosmo Town. Super Dimensional Robot Galaxy Destroyer. And Mecha Phantom Beast Colt. I feel like the packs are very identical. Tachyon Transmigration. Mistaken Accusation. Ooh, Cyber Dragon Infinity. Lose 1 turn. Oh, Permanence. Hidden Temples of Necro Valley. And Screegroid Red-Eyed Dice. Scrap Recycler. Cyber Dragon Core. Unexpected Die. Dark Rebellion XZ Dragon. Zodiac Chakanai. Preparation of Rights. And Mecha Phantom Beast Blue Impala. Oh, where are the OGs? Where are they? Extra Foolish Barrier. Called by the Grave. Ooh, another Alistair Miracle Contact. Ooh, second Dragon Maid, House Dragon Maid. Dark Lord Nest. And Preparation of Rights. Coat Soldier Wolf Bark. Forbidden Chalice. Lair of Darkness. Barrier Statue of the Heavens. Martial Metal Marcher. Mecha Phantom Beast Blue Impala. Hey, Trunade. Don't like this name. I miss.
Giant tree.
Heavy Trunade. Heavy.
Heavy or giant?
Giant.
Giant
Oh,
tree.
the giant tree?
Yeah, giant tree
Oh,
nade.
it's heavy.
That's heavy storm.
A giant tree nade.
Tachyon Transmigration. Mistaken Accusation. Another Solemn Judgment. Cyber Dragon Core. Unexpected Die. Stardust Charge Warrior. Circle of the Fire King. Bro!
Nah, it's in these 2 packs. Red Eye's gonna be one and Blue Eye's gonna be
man,
next.
that's wild. Like, I want one of all 3 at least. Eater of Millions. Barrier Statue of the Storm Wings. Machine Duplication.
Ash Blossom.
Defeat Ash Blossom. Polymerization. Barrier Statue of the Abyss. And Dark Lord Nostin.
You dude got all the statues that I need.
What the hell do you need the statues for?
I'm making that. Benedict said that's the most simple.
Number
deck.
C, Wheel 101, Silent Honor
I don't
Dark.
have to worry about
Constellar
timing.
Pleiades.
To do
Starlight Junction. Number 74, the Master of Blades. Rank Up Magic, the 7th one. Number C107, Neo Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. And Terraforming. Alright, quick commercial break while I pre-open the rest of these packs. Alright, next display. I opened all the boxes, got the packs ready. On the quest for the blue eyes, Brotherhood of the Fire. Oh!
There he is.
Oh my god, yes! Sky Striker Ace Kagari.
Oh, point it to me.
Mecha Phantom Beast Blue Impala.
First pack.
Hey,
Oh,
True
the display. Hold up. Let's take a moment to realize.
Blue Eyes White Dragon, baby. First edition with Sky Striker Ace Kagari.
You don't want gloves?
That means
Well, it's like you go, man.
Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Coyote.
You can't see it. Point it to me. There you go.
Union Scramble. Lose one turn. The Phantom Knights of Red.
There we go. Is this display?
Eyes, Black Dragon.
Second pack.
Mega Phantom Beast Blue Impala. Hey,
Great.
True.
Now you need Dark Magician, right?
Yeah, he just needs dark magic.
Oh my
If you get the
god, yes. Go Gigas. For
Point it to me.
Chalice. Machine Duplication.
Is this it?
Bear Statue. Dark Magician. Sky Palace. Circle of the Fire.
That's
King.
crazy. Three packs straight.
3 packs straight.
Three
and I
pack
got
back
all
to
3 of
back.
these, right?
Back to back.
All 3 of them. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted, man. Now I just need more blue eyes.
You need to ask David. Huh?
Dark Lord Contact. Go Gigas. Oh,
Can't
Stratos. Fire Formation Gyoko. Barrier Statue of the Torrent. Infernity Mirage. Circle of the Fire Kings. I got him. Oh, Stratos too. Yeah, let's go. Union Scramble. Ooh, Lost World. Herald of the Arclight. Condemned Witch. Phantom Knights.
Rusty Bardiche.
Lady Debug. Storming Mirror Force.
Stormy Mirror Force.
I'm glad I had that Drowning Mirror Force, so I'm about to switch up my goddamn regular Mirror Force.
Why, you don't like it anymore? Oh, yeah, that one crap.
Magical Meltdown. Coach Soldier Wolfmark. Dark Lord Morningstar. Starlight Junction. Rank Up Magic, the 7th one. Number 39, Utopia the Lightning. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist.
The only one you're missing now is Harpy's Feather Duster.
Oh, yeah.
Really.
Eater of Millions. Dragon's Mirror. Ooh, the Monarch's Erupt. Totally awesome.
Oh, fuck that too.
Infernity Mirage.
That too.
Ooh, another Poly.
That
Make a
too.
Phantom Beast Blue Impala. Number 87, Queen of the Night. Ooh, another Whitestone Ancients. Another Solemn Judgment. The Shared Ride. Anti-Magic Arrows. Dark Lord Nasty. Preparation of Rites. Mech Knight of the Morning Star. Gear Gigant X. Invoker. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Barrier Statue of the Storm Winds. Ooh, the 3rd Dragon Maid. Kitchen Dragon Maid. Imperial Tomb of Necro Valley. Come on, baby.
You got one more.
I need more blue eyes in my life. Barrier Statue of the Inferno. I'll trade in. Temple of the Six. Chaos Dragon. Number S39, Utopia of the Lightning. Trap Tricks. Foolish Burial Goods. Come on, man. More blue eyes. More eyes of blue. Tachyon Transmigration. Mistaken Accusation. Herald of the Arclight. Unexpected Die. Ooh, another Eldritch. Torbuster Forbidden Realms and Planet Pathfinder. Dragon's Mirror. Drowning Mirror Force. Another Solemn. Trickstar Reincarnation. Dark Lord Morning Star. Stardust Charge Warrior. Mecha Phantom Beast Jacuzza. Colt Soldier Wolf Bark. Mech Knight with Morning Star. Cyber Dragon Infinity. Bear Statue of the Torrent. Lair of Darkness. Ooh, another Drolling Lock. I'll take it. Prime Monarch. Oh man. Damn, if I would have kept the whole case.
Shut up. But I mean,
Flame Buffalo. Gear Gigantex. Cyber Dragon Infinity. Barrier Statue of the Drought. I really got all the statues. Modoche Chateau. Stardust Charge Warrior. Barrier Statue of the Abyss. Dark Lord Extrail. Modoche Knights. Condemned Witch. Phantom Knights. Sky Striker Ace. Kagari. Preparation of Rights. Mind Control.
I got 2 more minutes on this memory card.
Barrier Statue of the Inferno. Trade in. Forbidden Chalice. Lose 1 turn. Nibiru!
Oh, I forgot all about
There he
Nibiru.
is. Ooh, Link Karibo. Terraforming.
I got 2 minutes.
Oh, these are all mine, huh?
No, they're not.
Thank you.
Noble Knight Tristan. Tachyon Transmigration. Number 74.
Bro, I hate to break
Master
it
of
to you.
Blades. Barrier Statue. Zodiac. Ooh, Super Poly.
You don't have
Foolish
enough
Burial Goods.
sleeves.
I do.
Super polymerization. Yes, this is mine. God,
Mistake. Ooh, another Monster Reborn.
my OCD
Synchron
cannot
Carrier.
handle.
Ooh, the 4th Dragon Maid. Laundry.
Son,
Go Gigas. Number 107. Speedroid. Oh, Ash.
Oh, you got both the,
the
birds.
OG. Mech Phantom Beast.
oh, you got the alternative and the.
Yeah, he got
Yep.
both arts.
I got her feet already.
Last
So
pack?
there's only
Last
missing
pack.
the-
With the
Yeah,
blue
last
eyes?
pack,
Is
last
the
pack.
blue
Another
eyes?
blue eyes?
Xoxo.
Another blue eyes. Trading. Flame. Beatrice. Barrier Statue. Another Super Poly. That's it.
That's it, folks.
We're done. But look at these bad boys. Oh, where'd they go, bro?
look at my cops of the day. Thank you guys.
Right there.
Look at them.
Look at him, look at him.
Beautiful.